Jay is a 4-year-old kid who goes to school like every other Nigerian child. One morning, Jay develops a fever and his mother takes him to the hospital. The physician prescribes anti-malaria drugs, which his mother gets at a nearby pharmacy. 3 days later, Jay dies mysteriously. The cause of his death? Poisoning as a result of fake drugs. Here is the problem. Sadly, Jay is one of over 122,000 under 5 children who die in sub-Saharan Africa every year because of counterfeit malaria drugs. The WHO also estimates that tens of thousands of older medicine users die from substandard anti-malaria and anti-tuberculosis drugs, with 1 in 10 drugs sold in African nations being fake or substandard. In Nigeria, this problem is more pronounced by the fact that the entire supply chain of drugs, from import through distribution to the user, is compromised. Our solution: HealthBloc is a digitally equipped logistic company that leverages the use of blockchain technologies to monitor the transportation and genuineness of healthcare supplies from the manufacturer till it reaches the end user, the patient. HealthBloc seeks to track, trace, and authenticate drugs at each level of the supply chain, from the pharma company to the distributor, all the way to the patient. By using the blockchain, HealthBloc will make sure there is a verifiable trace of who is supplying what, to whom, when, and where, all within the pharmaceutical supply chain. HealthBloc is setting up a trusted network that allows the different components of the supply chain store information about supply drugs and access it in an open, verifiable way. How? We will verify that only authentic drugs are transferred from one person to another within the supply chain. Use our own transport systems to ensure compliance with required standards for asset transfer. Ensure that a joint verified ledger of all transactions and transfers are available on the blockchain at all times. Benefits and impacts. Being a unique and first of its kind service in Nigeria, HealthBloc will help bridge the trust gap between the medication users, pharmacies, and manufacturers. With the adoption of the blockchain technology, as well as the transparent medicine verification system, patients can trust drugs sold to them. The knock-on effect of this trust in the supply chain is that in addition to saving hundreds of thousands of lives and over 200 billion naira, which Nigeria loses to fake drugs yearly, HealthBloc will indirectly help the government to achieve what they have struggled with. HealthBloc adoption will eliminate hundreds of thousands of unregistered and unlicensed patent medicine stores in Nigeria. We believe that our team has the ideal expertise to make HealthBloc a reality.